Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we'll start building the walls for our project. Now, before we start creating the walls, we'll need to bring back our DWG file. And in the previous video, you must have noticed that when I deleted the floor plans, the DWG file went away as well. So let's quickly re-import our DWG file. So it's always important not to delete the floor plan in which the DWG file sits. So if you delete the corresponding floor plan where the DWG file lies in, then the DWG file automatically gets deleted as well. All right, so let's bring back our DWG file. Let's go to Insert, click on Link Add. Let's select our ground floor DWG file. Let's place it on ground floor slab top and click on Open. Perfect. Now let's select our DWG file. Let's unpin the file. Let's move it up a bit. We can also hide the dimensions. So let's select the DWG file, click on Query, select one of the dimension lines and click on Hide in View. Perfect. And finally, what you can do is tap Escape, select the DWG file. We decided that this would be the project base point. So I'm going to tap in MV and move it from this point to this point here. This is where the internal origin is. I'm going to simply tap VV just to reconfirm that it is the project base point or the internal origin. Yeah, so that is the project base point. I can reselect my DWG file and click on Pin again. So that was a quick recap for you guys in case your DWG file went away when you deleted the floor plan view in the previous video.